Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This is where you get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, including news of good American job indicators. The flash US factory PMI was released overnight, and it has held close to its 4-year peak. The European version saw a rebound too, especially in its services sector, but France continued its contraction. The number of Americans filing new claims for unemployment benefits fell to its lowest level in more than 8 years last week, suggesting the US labour market was gaining traction. It was February 2006 when it was last at this level. The next marker will be rising wages. Meanwhile, a sharp fall in new home starts for June is being brushed off by observers. The rising US economy and the growing expectation that interest rates will start to rise is putting pressure on the junk bond market. This will have implications for New Zealand's richest man, Graham Hart, and his giant Reynolds Group, who are very exposed to junk bond debt. In Australia, their top Treasury and regulatory officials are concerned that record low interest rates could destabilise their financial sector. As predicted, many homeowners will struggle to service their mortgages when interest rates start to rise. They see parallels between now and the period before the 2008 GFC. Lower swap rates are happening here too, allowing banks the opportunity to offer reduced fixed rates. Yesterday, both ANZ and ASB raised their floating rates in line with the OCR increase, but many borrowers have already bolted from floating rate arrangements. And more will no doubt do so again because fixed rates are now lower than variable out to 3 years, almost 4 years. US Treasury 10-year yields rose to 2.51% in late trade this morning. The oil price fell on both benchmarks, is now at $102 in the US, $107 on the Brent benchmark. Gold is lower too at $1,297 an ounce. We start today with the New Zealand dollar significantly lower after the OCR signals, down more than 1 cent on the day. We're now at just under 85.8 US cents, 91.1 Aussie cents, and the TWI is at 79.9. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.